So good evening, sir. My name is Valdivia Paul Mikibi. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Palo Leyte and I'm from Marine Engineering 3 Bravo. The claim that gender is assigned at birth versus gender is established at conception and recognized at birth involves a complex interplay of biology, philosophy, and cultural ideas. Here's an analysis supported by science and philosophy as I've researched, sir. So, first is the scientific perspective, which is the sex versus gender. So, biological sex refers to physical characteristics like chromosomes, hormones, or genitalia established at conception and observed at birth. For example of chromosomes, XX or XY chromosomes are typically associated with female or male respectively, though intersex variations exist. Gender, however, is widely understood in the social sciences as a cultural and psychological construct that encompasses roles, behaviors, and identities associated with societal expectations. So, ano to siyan? Gender is not purely biological and often emerges as individuals grow and interact with their environment. So, second is the neuroscience and the development. So, research is neuroscience suggests that gender identity, a deeply felt sense of being male, female, or something else, is influenced by both biological and environmental factors. For instance, prenatal hormones may influence tendencies, but societal influences shape gender roles and expressions over time. So that's all, sir. Thank you, sir.